Bringing friends together and family. Ah! Oh my god, let's try those.
Like how long since I filmed. Hey cuties! So today I'm going to be doing a taste test Tuesday. I'm so excited. I have no range of motion. Well, I'm doing way better. The title of this video, if you are confused, one, I'm on like medication, so if I seem a little freaking weird, I'm recovering from surgery, and the title is True. Something true. I'm in a very good mood today. Yeah, I'm recovering, so like I have like bandages. I took off my binder right here and my chin thing. Oh, my jawline's coming in. I'm so happy. I am going to be trying something I've been wanting to try. My buns are off. Look at that. Who cares about buns when you have cookies? So this is Crumble. Everyone knows Crumble. Girl, I don't even need to give them an introduction, but if you don't know, after saying all that, Crumble releases new flavors every single week, and I've been here for a week, and I was like not really impressed by the last ones, even though the world loved the last ones, but I felt like they were a little plain. You know what I mean? They were just like basic cookies. I wanted more of like a pow and like flavors, so I waited until today for their new flavors to drop. I literally got these at like 8:20 in the morning. They opened at 8. I was like refreshing Uber Eats, like waiting for them. And a lovely Uber driver gave me, tip your Uber drivers, everyone. Like if you're too lazy to go pick it up, then tip somebody for doing it for you, bitch. So I got Crumble cookies. Ah, this is the week of
La-di-da, I'm in a very good mood today.
September 26th to October 1st. And it is today to September 26th. If you want to know what kind of plastic surgery I have, or my struggles, or my journeys, or my anything, you can go watch my other videos on my channel. And if you want to see more like vlog style of the trip, because I'm not in California. I'm in Florida, bitch. Florida, I love Florida. I am going to unbox these right now. I'm so excited, girl. Like I'm like, this iconic pink box. They better got my order right. Imagine it's somebody else's order. Oh, I also got Crumble water, girl, which I'm gonna use to cleanse the palate. And if you're new this Tuesday, hopefully you try something new this Tuesday. Oh my god, they are way bigger than I imagined. Oh, okay. Oh my god, it smells fantastic. I feel like I'm gonna cry. Oh my god, these are literally way bigger in person. Me. Oh my god, these are freaking huge. Okay, I'm gonna go through them really quickly here, and then we will go one by one and do a little taste test. Baby, look at these. Okay, I'm most excited for this one. Fruits? Like, who am I? I need to get Austin's reaction. I'm telling him to come in here and look at these, because they are literally way bigger in person. Like, and they smell so good. I have bruises on my neck. Sorry, not sorry. You need to see how big these are in person.
Okay.
Come on, what's your reaction?
Okay. Holy those are big cookies.
Right?
Jesus. Oh, they look good.
Smell them.
My sinuses are plugged as always, but from what I can smell, they smell pretty good.
Which one looks the best? This one?
Chocolate chip. I'm biased. That raspberry one looks good, but I think because it only looks strawberry to me, because I don't really like that.
Well, you're gonna like this one.
Well, I'll try.
I'm a cookie forcer. I enforce cookies on people. Let's eat them all today. So we have, my nails are taken off for surgery. I feel like I keep saying that, but just in case this is your first video. Milk chocolate chip. Ooh. Oh my god, they're so soft. I just put my freaking thumb. They are so soft. Like look at this. They're so soft. Caramel pumpkin or caramel pumpkin, whatever you say. Hey, the one I'm most excited for. Raspberry butter cake. Look at that, you guys. So it's a butter cake cookie with raspberry whatever on top. Okay, the one I'm like literally I like cried when I saw this, and I screamed out the name before I even knew what the name was, because I saw like the video of it. Peanut butter cream. I love peanut butter cookies, and it has Nutter Butters, like featuring Nutter Butter on top. Love peanut butter cookies. Like literally all these I like. Like I was like, I thought there was gonna be like almond ones and like nut ones and like weird ones that I don't like, and well, peanut isn't nut, but I like peanuts. Weird, I know. Oh! Lemon glaze. Oh my god, it's like literally, I just got dripped on my phone. It's like wet. And then their classic one that everyone raves about. Like, look at how soft. It's like literally like breaking. I love this. Classic pink sugar. And this is their new recipe, so I never got to try their old one. So let's try them out, girl. I have like sticky shit all over me. Hold on. I think we need a moment of like music and like a little short of these clips or of these cookies. I'm gonna roll it right here. Roll it! Okay, let's go with the classic milk chocolate chip first. Oh my god, Austin's gonna die. Oh my god, they are so fresh. It tastes very similar to a Starbucks chocolate chip cookie. If you can't get Crumble near you, go to Starbucks, ask for a chocolate chip cookie, and ask for it warmed up. You will get the same Crumble experience, if not the same. What? You'll get the same experience, if not the same. Okay, we're going in with Nutter Butter next. The peanut butter cookie with Nutter Butter. You know what? I'm gonna split it. Let's see if that works. Oh my god, because I want the filling. Oh yes, and it's perfect, because then Austin can have the other half. Oh my god. Oh my god. So soft. Oh my god. It is like cake. Oh my god. There's no ounce of dryness in it. It is so moist. I get the Nutter Butter, but I mainly get like grandma's homemade peanut butter cookies first. Like, girl, yes! Butter cake with raspberry. I just took a picture of this beside the ocean, and girl, look at her shining. Look at her. Look at her in her like mystical beingness. Look at that. Let's try to, oh yeah, so I can get the cream. wait, let me go do this. Let's do a little 1-2. Okay, very good. The raspberry, because it's a tart, it really cuts the sweetness, so I like the combination together, but I feel like the raspberry is a little overpowering, to be honest with you. This one, I don't really like as much. I should rate them. Chocolate chip cookie, literally 9.8 out of 10. Nutter Butter, 9.8 out of 10. This one, I would give it like a solid 8 out of 10. You're gonna die. Try the chocolate chip cookie on camera right now.
Okay.
Oh my god. Literally the best chocolate chip cookie I've ever had in my life.
The chocolate is so creamy.
Yeah, it's like freshly baked.
Yum.
Here, try this one. I don't know if you'll like it. Because it's the one he's like, I won't like that one at all. That one I don't like as much as the other ones.
It's actually not bad.
Yeah, they're so good.
I'm just calling down quick to get the car brought around.
Okay.
Because we'll probably be gone within an hour, right?
Yes. Oh my god, there's an ant in here! It's not from Crumble, it's from the hotel room. So that's Florida, like you expect that. But he was going for the raspberry, so I don't know if that says something. Go away now, it's my video. We tell you to come here also, me. Bye. Okay, this one I think I could just bite because there's like literally perfect amount of icing to cookie ratio. It actually looks like more cookie. Oh my god, the caramel pumpkin. It is so moist, it's literally flaking from the bottom. Nutmeg and pumpkin chips scent right away as soon as I open my mouth. It tastes like pumpkin pie. I don't really get caramel, but I get pumpkin. It's like a pumpkin cookie. It's like a pumpkin spice cookie. Oh my, I choked. Oh my god, so good. Not too sweet because it's cream cheese icing. Like, they know what they're doing here, girl. Crumble's where it's at. Woo! I'm in a hotel room, I shouldn't be screaming. Them phoning, is everything all right? Me, yeah, I'm just eating cookies. 8.5 out of 10. Now the lemon one. Oh my god, it is so vibrant. I don't know, do we eat this or is it a candy lemon? Nope. So bright. This one's not as thick. It has more of like a denser texture to it. Oh, that one is so bright and fun. It's like a perfect way to like end the good weather because I know they're trying to like bring in more like comforting tastes like pumpkin and peanut butter and you know like stuff like that, like fall vibes, but that one is like a bright kick to this box because it's more like cozy feeling. That one is a great addition. Like I really like it. It's so bright and fun and it tastes like lemon, but it's not puckery. Like you get the flavor of lemon but not the sour tartness. You get like that sweet lemon flavor. Yum. Kind of like you sprayed like lemon perfume in your mouth. No, it's not. The one with the Cadillac on it. Is that a Cadillac? I think I know cars. Wait, I think so. So everyone loves this one. I can't wait to try it. I've been waiting to try this one. People like it in the fridge, so I might plop this in the fridge after. That tastes like when you get those sugar cookies in, you know those like packaged sugar cookies, these ones? That tastes like that, but the cookie's more like softer. I don't know how. Like what the frick do they do? Magic? That one's very sweet. I almost went like with that. Okay, honestly, okay, that one is like a solid 9.1. We're going with that. My favorite cookie is definitely the peanut butter nutter butter one. That one is so good. That one is my favorite one. The second place one would be the chocolate chip, milk chocolate chip, definitely. The third place one is the caramel pumpkin, then the lemon, then the sugar cookie, then the raspberry. I hope I did those right because I literally rated them, so hopefully they're actually rated in the order that I like them. But I'm so excited I got to try Crumble. Oh my god, I said I was doing this as a palette cleanser. Let me go grab it. I'm so dumb. Girl, I got this. Oh my god, just like a brown bag. Just a little elky moment. I got this Crumble water. You guys know I love water. It comes in this like tin thing, mabob. I've been struggling opening things because of my muscles. I just got my tits done. Anyway, oh my god, it poured all over me. It now smells like water. Okay. It doesn't have like a Dasani aftertaste. It tastes like spring water. Is it spring water? It is naturally premium spring water filtered in the pristine Rocky Mountains. Ooh, it's very crisp. It's nice and refreshing after those like really sweet and dense cookies. I'm so excited. I got to try a little nibble of each one. I would definitely be a returning customer when I come back to a place that has Crumble next. Unfortunately, my oops, excuse me. My city doesn't have a Crumble, but I'll crumble along with them when I go to a place that sells them next. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for following along my journey. This is my last day in Florida. If you want to see what else we're doing, like I said, oh, it's starting to thunderstorm. There's a hurricane warning too.
You see the storm starting?
Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm glad I could do a taste test with you guys and, you know, put on some makeup and feel like more myself. And I appreciate you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you want some cookies, bake them. Anyway, bye.